Like, I got these ones.
Okay. Ava, come on.
No, she wants these.
Boy. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, baby, look. Come on, babe. Come on. No, this way. Look.
She stepped on me. That's what she felt. Here. Try to do it longer.
Ready, baby? Okay, come on. No, come on. Look it, baby.
Ball.
Ooh. Look at the ball. Come on. Look at the ball.
She grabs it.
Come on. Yeah. She's like scared. She wants to grab onto something. Come on. You got it. Come on.
He looks like he's like.
Yay, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay.
That's a good one.
Look at her tongue. She's trying so hard. Oh, that's so funny.
Yay, baby. You did it. Yeah, you. Come on. Look it, baby. Come on. Look it, Coca-Cola. Can I have your toy? Come on. Can I have you? No. Ava, come on. Here.
Oh my god.
Ready, baby? Come here, Ava. Ava. Ava, look.
Oh!
Whoa, my baby.
Technology is a
My
huge piece of
baby.
education. Using a pen for the first time on the Windows CPC is great.
Here.
We'll highlight different rhymes.
Aww.
My rhymes when I'm shading it, I can change the weight, drawing directly on my screen. I couldn't do this on Mac. I can definitely see the future.
Here, baby, go.
And I feel like the sky's the limit.
Come on, come get this.
Oh, I'm not you.
Come on, baby. Come on, Ava. Yeah, come on, baby. Come on. Woohoo!
Ooh, that was a good one.
Yay. She got her balance down pretty good
She
right
got
there.
a good balance on that one.
Ow.
Yay! Look at you go. You're on a roll. Who bets Ava's gonna be walking by her birthday?
I think she'll be walking by next week.
Yeah, seriously. We need to start practicing her like that. Just walk backwards and then make her walk forward.